Metal. All right, kids. Let's open up this second car from Mike and Lindbergh. The first one was from Mike, and it was of McLaren. And this one's from Lindbergh, so what will it be? It's a GT car. It's one I don't have. There's a couple hints. Those of you who may know what's on my track. All right, there it is. All right, that's it for this unboxing. Cheers, Metal. I kid. I kid, of course. Oh, they always look better in person. Let me get this out of the way here. Keep you guys in suspense another moment or two. All right, here you go. Bam! Look at that gold and black Lamborghini Huracanrana. All right, let's get this out of the box and get you guys a closer look. Stand by. All right, kids, we're back. We're on the turntable. Check this beautiful gold out. You can actually see some metal flake in there. It's hard to tell in there, probably in the video, but here in person, it's just wow. And I love the 63 number. I like derivatives of 3 for numbers, so 63 is very cool. Nice livery. Less is more on this one. There's quite a bit, but there's not that much just the same, you know what I mean? There's some along the side here, but what really stands out is the gold striping and all that. You gotta love the louvering here in the back. The driver's in there, the driver's in there, he's just really hard to see. The bottom, pretty much your standard stuff with your switch and all that. So there's the Carrera part number. It's hard to see. It's really hard to see. 32058 is our Carrera part number. Let you guys get a better look at the driver. He's really hard to see. He's just arms, legs, and an upper torso. Maybe from that direction. No, I can see him, but you guys can't. But so he's in there. Very good. Very good. Gracer Racing, I can't tell. We got your fuel nozzle on the right there. And look at the brake rotors. The rotors are really cool little detail. You can actually see the lines and the colors of the actual I can't remember the name for the things that compress the shoes. I feel kind of dumb right now, but you know what I'm talking about. So the rotors look great. The rotor presser thingies look really good. All right, this thing is digital, so let's put it on the track and see what it looks like. She's a beautiful car. I really like it. That logo's really cool too. It almost looks like TS, like Todd Shanker. Who's that guy? All right, see you back at the track. All right, metal kids, we are back. Check out them headlights. That is a sweet looking front end there. The lights almost look angry. I like that. Tail lights look really good too. Sorry about my hands there. So she's looking pretty good. All right, kids, so there we go. The unboxing of the Lamborghini Huracanrana GT3. I hope you guys liked it. And thank you again to Lindbergh for this beautiful car. We will be doing a full review and upgrade of this car in the near future. Thanks, kids. Take care, everybody. See you later, Slot Cowboys. Race on, metal.